Good day, kids. Let us listen to Imery, a grade 2 pupil from Kaligayahan Elementary School, as she pronounced some English words as part of her assignment to our English class being conducted every 7 to 8 p.m. Fridays and Saturdays. For interested early learners, you might join us to improve your vocabulary.
Dab, dabble, dad or daddy, daffodil, dagger, daily, dainty, dairy, daisy, dam, damage, damp, dance, dandruff, danger, dangle, dare, dark, dart, dash, data, database, date, daughter, daughter-in-law, dawn, day, daydream, days, dazzle, dead, deadline, deadly, deaf, deafening, deal, dear, deaf,
Debate, debt,
decade, decay,
decay,
deceive,
Decay.
December, decent, deception, decide, deciduous. Wait, was it then?
Deciduous.
Deciduous. Wait, deciduous. Decimal, decision,
Decisive.
decisive, deck, declare, decline, decorate, decrease, dedicate, deed, deep, dear, deface, defeat, defend, defensive, deficient,
deficient,
definite, definition, deflate, deflect, defrost, defy, degree, dehydrated, delay, delete, deliberate, delicate,
delicate,
Come on, delicatessen.
delicatessen,
delicatessen,